So you're still technically in college, you're just taking a break?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Yeah, that's your mistake, bro.
That was a mistake.
What were you trying to major in?
I was doing business minor. I completed that.
But the business side doesn't make sense because like Aaron would know this too, like, and you probably do too. Then it's like business changes every day, so it's like the information will change. Like just like a course, even on business, sometimes it gets outdated very quick. So you can have a course and then 2 years later, that information may not work. So whether it be like for setting or for sales calls, maybe a certain technique that worked before, people are overusing it now. Like ClickFunnels, that's a huge one. You remember those ClickFunnels guys? They'll tell you to do a webinar, and then you can get people in the webinar, and then you can close them. It works, but not to the same level as it used to because now no one has free time. People are used to TikTok. So nowadays, if you do something quick, that performs more than it does something super long and drawn out because people don't have 40 minutes just to sit down when they first met you on a screen. So it's like stuff that it changes all the time because that was huge like what 4 years ago. That worked really well like clockwork, and now it doesn't work like it used to.